Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida with you. Today we are making something light, cool and perfect for warm days, refreshing milk Rooh-Afza pudding. Creamy milk, sweet rose syrup and crunchy Sabja seeds. Every bite is refreshing and soothing. Let's begin. In a bowl, add 3 cups of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of Agar powder. Always dissolve Agar in a cold mixture before turning on the heat. And 3 tablespoons of cream. Mix everything well before turning on the heat. Cook on medium heat and bring it to a gentle boil while stirring continuously. After 4 to 5 minutes of cooking, turn off the heat and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Now pour the milk pudding into serving glasses and keep it aside to set slightly. Did you know Rooh-Afza was invented over 100 years ago? It's still one of the most loved summer drinks in South Asia. Milk pudding are one of the oldest forms of dessert, found in both royal feasts and simple homes. Next, let's prepare the rose layer. Soak 2 tablespoons of Sabja seeds in 1/3 cup of water for 5 minutes. Set aside. Now in a pan, add 2 cups of water, half a cup of rose syrup, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Agar powder. Mix well and cook until the Agar is completely dissolved. Sabja seeds, also known as tukmaria or basil seeds, swell up just like chia but cool the body more naturally. Add the soaked Sabja seeds into the rose syrup mixture and stir well. Sabja seeds are excellent for digestion and naturally reduce body heat, perfect for summer. Agar is low in calories, high in fiber and great for gut health. Rooh-Afza also contain herbs and natural cooling agents that help beat the heat. Let it cool for about 5 minutes. Now pour this beautiful rose layer over the milk pudding. Don't pour the rose layer while the milk pudding is too hot. Cool it down and refrigerate for 1 hour. Your milk Rooh-Afza pudding is now ready to serve. Chilled, smooth and absolutely refreshing. Which other rose flavored dessert should we try next? If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more cool, creative desserts made easy.